Today we're going to make a jalapeno cornbread. A 10-inch cast iron skillet like I'm going to use. Or you can use an 8-inch dish. If you do it here, it will come out thicker. You need 3/4 cup of cornmeal, and you need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You need 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And this right here, this is actually 1/4 cup of bacon fat and 1/4 cup of melted butter. I didn't have enough bacon fat. You need 1/2 cup in total for the recipe. So we're going to start by spreading butter on the pan, just evenly. So this is done. I'm going to place the pan inside the oven so it can get nice and hot while I do the rest of the ingredients. So we're just going to mix all of the dry ingredients. So you're going to get the salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and the sugar, and just whisk and set aside. We're going to mix the wet ingredients now. So you're going to add the buttermilk, the bacon grease, butter crumble. Do you see those little brown specks? Those are bacon trimmings. Try to get that as well. They have a lot of flavor. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So we're going to add the egg. Now add the other egg. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Okay, it's combined. So now we're going to add the jalapeno. And we're going to add the cheese. So now we're going to go to the oven and get the pan. And so pour the batter into the skillet. So now we're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. So I usually let this cool up for about 10 minutes before cutting.